Well, I just wanted to quickly come on here and give a short little testimony here on in regards to working with Paris. So I've known Paris for a while now, and recently, I think about like 2 or 3 months back, like he reached out to me and just started getting me to work in this direction and started talking to me about putting out more content posts, being more consistent with that, and then bringing more people into my group. And, I'll be honest, at first, like I was just kind of really dragging my feet because I've done that before with Facebook and got buried with the algorithms and everything else and just got really discouraged. But I went ahead and I gave in and I decided to follow Paris's advice and follow the things that he was teaching me. So been consistently putting out, two to three posts per week, content posts, and bringing people into my group, just going through the motions, doing the stuff, actually starting to get a little bit of engagement. So that's been really encouraging. Then lo and behold, I believe it was January 13th, I had somebody reach out to me via Messenger. And this is a person that I've known for a while. I went through a special coaching program with her and a bunch of other people. So it's kind of like part of a tribe group, if you will. And the coaching program that I went through, I really didn't get, you know, any return on investment out of it. I did learn a ton though. And anyhow, so this person reached out to me, and apparently this particular person had been seeing my Facebook posts I was putting out. Now, also note this person never liked or commented on any of my posts before. So I don't even know she was seeing my stuff, but apparently she was. Lo and behold, so I was originally just going to send her a link to my calendar so she can schedule an appointment with me, but I just gotten off of a Zoom call. I had some time available. So I reached out to her and I said, hey, are you available right now? And turns out she was. So I got on a Zoom call with her, went through a bunch of details with her, dove in, tried to help her out right there on the spot as well. And then offered my mid package to her, which is my 90-day one-on-one coaching package. And she bought right into it. And I was really excited about it. So, all this to say is that, you never know who is actually looking at your posts, even if they don't like or comment, you just never know. And because of that, I got a client coming into my program and I made $3,500 that day. So, anyhow, just a short testimony here on what happens when you follow what Paris is trying to teach you. So, anyhow, that's it.